Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to do a reset on LG Xboom 2 PL if you find any malfunctions while using it and it won't be able to just turn it off. So first thing, you'll need to enable it, then open the cap which hides the charging port and aux port. And now you'll need something like a needle that will fit in just a second, which will fit in this reset button right here. And if you press it, the device will restart like this. And now you need to just press this and it should turn on again. That's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.